Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your Denon receiver sound not working. So here's a guide for your wrong input, mute, speaker setup and reset. Fix 1, check the volume. Make sure the receiver isn't muted. Turn up the volume using the remote or front panel. Fix 2, select the correct input, press source select, choose the input connected to your device. Fix 3, check speaker connections. Make sure speaker wires are firmly connected. Check that each wire is connected to the correct plus or minus terminal. Fix 4, check the audio cable. Unplug and reconnect the HDMI optical or RCA cable. Try a different cable if available. Fix 5, check audio output. On your TV or connected device, you can select the Denon receiver as the audio output. If using HDMI, you can check the TV's audio output settings. Fix 6, check speaker settings. Go to Setup, select Speakers and then go to Manual Setup. Make sure the connected speakers are enabled. Fix 7, turn off mute. Press the mute button on the Denon remote. Check whether the mute indicator disappears. Fix 8, power cycle the receiver. Turn off the receiver and unplug it for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 9, try another input. Connect another device to a different input. If sound works, the original device or input may be the problem. Fix 10, factory reset. If none of the fixes work, reset the Denon receiver to factory settings. The reset procedure varies by model. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.